Hello class, for math today our focus is I can reflect a shape by flipping figures on Notability. I've already downloaded the assignment onto Notability. If you look at it, it looks very similar to the one that you did yesterday. Instead, today we are reflecting a shape by flipping the figure. Vocabulary word here is reflect. To reflect basically means to flip or it's like a mirror. So when you wake up in the morning and you go brush your teeth or you take a shower, you look in the mirror, you see a reflection of yourself. So that's basically what we're doing with these shapes right here. And the ones I really want you to pay attention to are these two here with the colors. Depending on how the reflection looks like, the colors have to be the the way that it has to be. So the colors have to be flipped. All right, so I'm gonna model with this one right here and this one right here. Okay, I'll model a little bit with this one and then I'll model the rest with this one right here. So let's look at this arrow. So to do a reflection, basically you're just flipping. I'm not going to use the scissor today. I'm actually going to use the pencil. So all I'm doing is I'm just going to draw the flipped version of this arrow. And that's a reflection. So I reflected this arrow to look like this. So if this arrow was looking at a mirror and the mirror is right here, this is what you would see in the reflection. Now I need to reflect this shape onto this square. So I will draw my best reflection right there. So if this was the face and this is the mirror and this piece was looking in here, this is what the reflection would look like. Now the next one, you'd use this shape and reflect it over here. So I'm looking at this point and I'm going to reflect it over there. I know it doesn't look the best, but let me try that again. That doesn't look so great. So try my best to make it look good. If it doesn't look good, it's okay. So the concept of it is that you are reflecting. All right, now I'll do an example of this one. One side is green, one side is pink. I'll do a reflection of this rectangle. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw my rectangle. I'm going to draw my line. Since it's a reflection, the green side is now on this side. Okay, I'm going to color it again just so that you can see that. And now the pink side is on the other side. You see how this pink is reflecting back at pink, and then green is now on this side, whereas this shape, green was on the left, pink was on the right. It reflected, now pink is on the left, and green is on the right. So I'm going to do another reflection just so that you can see the reflection. So I am reflecting this shape over here. So now green is here. Since I'm reflecting, green is going to go here now. I'll choose a darker green just so we can see it better. Now pink is on the other side. Just like that. And then I'm going to take this shape and I'm going to reflect it over here. So draw another rectangle. So now pink is on this side. And now green is over here. Then I'm going to take this shape and I'm going to reflect it over here. Now green is here and pink is over here. Just like that. And that is your task, reflecting these shapes. So you got one more for the arrow to do and two over here. So when you turn this in, I expect that everything in this square or in these squares are filled in with the reflection of the correct shape.